Local news for Friday the 12th of October. The Masterton Food Bank was officially opened yesterday by Mayor Lynn Patterson in its new location in Cricket Street, as well as a reminder the annual Wairarapa Wide Food Bank Drive will take place again this year on the 14th of November. A pre-World War I vehicle previously owned by a Masterton farmer has been purchased by the Museum of Technology, or Transport and Technology. The Clement Bayard was owned by the Barton family between 1910 and 1958 and is still in working order. The vehicle represents an important point in our country's motoring history, a point in which we were one of the largest importers of vehicles in the world. And in sport, at Rathkill tomorrow are hosting the Hurricane Secondary School Sevens Rugby Tournament, while several Heartland rugby scenarios could play out at Trust House Memorial Park as the Farriers Wairarapa Bush aim for either the Meads or the Hawke Cups. North Otago, however, their opposition have everything to play for and nothing to lose. The game kicks off at 2:30 at Trust House Memorial Park.